Liquid Wrench has a long legacy of making hard jobs easier. We recently found some featurettes in our video vault that we'd like to share with you. This video is all about doing what you're passionate about. You can do anything you set your mind to as long as you put the effort in to complete it.
Costumes stretch quite a bit. Well, it started as a dare about 9 years ago. My wife caught wind of the invoice for my first Batman suit that I bought. When she saw the number the day after Halloween, she threw a fit. And I said, honey, don't worry about it. I'll make another one, make it better and sell this one. And she said, you can't do that. So it was basically a dare to me. And I said, you said I can't do that? So now, you know, all this time later, I've made 9 different types of suits, and you know, now I'm doing all the Avengers suits and like Iron Man and Thor, whatnot. When I was young, my dad put me out in the shop. I was about 10 years old, and he threw me to the wolves. And there were a bunch of mechanics, old guys, that taught me how to take cars apart, carburetors and transmissions, and then take full cars apart, then refinish them. So I started very young. That carried over into aviation, and I was in aviation for 23 years, and I was a structures and composite specialist. So it's just a trade that kind of made sense to get into this. I can make composite items and pretty much make anything. With the superheroes, everybody looks up to them. You know, we've been around them for years and years and years, watching them in comic books. And in the last 5-10 years, the cosplaying or dressing up has really increased. It's an unbelievable pace. You have all the Comic-Cons, just all the events, you know, all over the United States and the world. And people are just super attracted to it. It's just really, it's fun. A lot of my clients work with high schools, junior highs, grade schools, and they bring a message dressed up like Batman or Thor or Iron Man, and they'll deliver that message at the school. And it's just talking about how to conduct yourself in life and skills to learn, and that's what most of them do, that wear the suits and go out there. And it's just a really, you know, it's a good message. You know, do your best, kind of like, you know, similar with the Boy Scouts with those type of values. The kids just really look up to you. They just really believe, if you pull it off, they really believe you're Batman when you show up. And just to see the smiles on their face, it's unbelievable. I stood there and all of a sudden I'm waving at the kids, and one of the kids went, jump! So they're all going, jump, jump, jump. I'm like, I gotta go. Batman doesn't jump. You know, it's like, it is very rewarding. What I do, it's fun because in the end I get to see my clients smile, but more importantly I get to see what they do with it, you know. And there's a lot of people that don't do that are my clients, but you know, there's a group of us that work together to get that mission out there, get a good word out to the kids. The '89 Batmobile is my favorite Batmobile. It's the Michael Keaton version from the original movie. It's coming up on the 25th year anniversary, and I have always wanted one for myself. I've always built numerous cars for others all my life. I never enjoyed the end result. This one is for me. This is one I'm going to be in, you know, in public, going down Main Street with the afterburner on and wearing my full costume.
We hope you've enjoyed these videos and it's inspired you to get out and do something with your hands. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and click the bell to get future notifications. We'll see you on the next video.